Today we are going to learn how to use this sim8085.com. Actually, it is a online 8085 simulator. So if you see, there is a here we can write the program. This side we are having the registers, A registers, BC registers, D registers, H and L, stack pointer, program counter. Then we are having a flags, zero flag, sign flag, parity flag, carry flag, auxiliary carry flag. This side is the memory. So when we will write the program here, then we will see the memory status. And so first I am going to write a program, and this program is addition of two numbers. Addition of two number. So, so I'm loading the command in caps MBI A4. So in accumulator I have given 4, then MBI second register I am putting 5, add B. So my program is ready. Register A is a 4, in register B the number is 5, add B. So when this add operation is going to get completed in accumulator, 9 will automatically come. So now we are going to run this program. So first we have to assemble it and load the program. So you can see it here, program starts from 0800. So program has been, then now I am going to run one instruction each. So MBI A04. So in A register you can see 04 has been came here. So now again I am going to run the second line. C in B 5 came. So add B. So adding A plus B means 4 plus 5 becomes 9. So in A you will get 9. See here, 9 came. So if I am going to write 9, then it will be, the parity flag is going to be 1, because 100 is 8, 1001 becomes 9, means parity is even. So the program has been run, you can see it here. Now I want to see in the memory how they are going to get loaded. So the program starts from 0800. So you can see it here. 3, this stands for MBIA. This is the number 04. Then this stands for MBIB. This is 05. 80 is for addition. Then halt. Now you can see it here. MBI04. This is the numbers. These are the hex code actually we are going to write into the 8085 microprocessor. So this data we will get from the data set. So these things we have to remember it, how to enter the numbers, what operation we are going to find, and for each corresponding we will get this hex values from the data set. So you can see this way we have learned how to add the two numbers. Thank you.